That's over 40 years ago.
Yep. First train of the day going westbound to Memphis.
Okay.
So, an empty call train. And it looks like we have something coming from Birmingham. And we do.
You're more likely to see a train over there than you usually go there. Only that Church of Christ that would over here.
Oh, yeah.
If I go out to see one, I usually miss it.
Right.
That was moving.
Yep. And I see the pusher on it as well. This one has a pusher in the middle of it.